Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says solve the following. 3x over 10 minus 1/8 equals 2x over 5 minus a half. And so this is an equation, and I'm going to go through the equation solving steps. Step 1 is to eliminate any fractions from the equation by multiplying both sides, or every term, by the least common denominator. So I have denominators of 10, 8, 5, and 2. The least common denominator would be 40. 10 times 4, 8 times 5, and 2 times 20. 40 is a multiple of all of those denominators. It is the least common denominator, and if you can't find the least common denominator, it doesn't come to mind quickly, just multiply all the denominators together, and you can use that number. You'll get the same answer at the end when it divides out or you reduce the fraction. Since I know I'm going to multiply both sides by 40, I'm going to multiply each term. 10 divides into 40 4 times. 4 times the numerator, 3x, is 12x. Minus 8 divides into 40 5 times. 5 times the numerator, which is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. So the left side says 12x minus 5. On the right side, I'm going to follow a similar process. 5 divides into 40 8 times. 8 times the numerator, 2x, is 16x. Minus 2 divides into 40 20 times. And 20 times the numerator of 1. 20 times 1 is 20. The left side and right side are both in simplest form. And now I'm going to put all of my variable terms on one side, all my number terms on the other, in order to solve. So I could subtract 12x from both sides or 16x from both sides. I usually choose the lesser of the two in order to keep my variable term positive. So I'm going to take the opposite of 12x on both sides. 12x minus 12x is 0. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. 16x minus 12x is 4x minus 20. Now I have a two-step. I'm going to add 20 to both sides in order to isolate the variable term 4x. Negative 5 plus 20 is 15. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. 0 plus 4x is 4x. Last step, I'll divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. And 15 divided by 4 is not a clean division, so I can just express it as the fraction 15 fourths. And so x would equal 15 fourths.